Hi, I'm in Marrakech for 4 days doing some street photography alongside being the boyfriend with someone who's not into street photography. My hotel even has street photography images. I just asked ChatGPT who took this, and it said Winston Churchill. I'm not so sure. I will find out. Marrakech has a bit of a reputation of being pretty difficult for street photographers, so I'm going to find out exactly if that's true. So I'll check back in 3-4 days and let you know. Morning. It's just now. There we go. Whee! Next, we're going to walk through these little alleyways where all the markets are. So many cool pockets of light on a harsh day, which is beautiful. Yeah, hardly a cloud in the sky. And this evening, I'm going up to the desert for a sunset dinner. So you'll legally see what's up there. Hi, Donna. That's Donna. Yeah, you're really spoiled for choice, yeah. I know Marrakech can be, some people say they hate photographs. I think the vendors and the people doing tricks, yeah, they want some money. It's fair. I prefer all the other stuff happening around that life. See this harsh box of light through my camera there? So I underexpose for the highlights. And the light against the darkness just makes things pop. Got a good view here, good vantage point. Yeah, if you look for some separation between these people, and the nice shadows, backlight, creating those shadows. Just stopping for a pomegranate juice. There's the harsh light that side. Yeah. Lots to play with here. Love the shadows coming through. Let's even wait for this little gap here. No, there's a little tent blocking. Here's my worker friend again. This is Donna. Hi, Donna. Gonna be a little bit high would be nice, but not bad. You can literally walk for miles and miles through these little marketplaces and alleyways. Life happening. Very easy to get lost. Yep, see where this takes us. Come on, man. Follow the light, like a moth. Yep. Yeah, staying alive is part of Marrakech, not getting run over. Just coming back into the light, the harsh sunlight.
That's all right. Sorry.
Thank you. And sometimes they say no. It's the first person that said no. I have to say, Marrakech isn't what some people perceive in their minds. Most people are super friendly. You can go anywhere. I didn't feel unsafe in any places. About 3 or 4 times, someone said no photo, but not much, which is expected, which you get in most places around the world anyway. So I wouldn't worry too much about that if that's going to put you off. We did have one vendor basically take us on the outskirts to look at some tanning place. Kind of knew what was going on, but you could sense it. But I thought if you stick to the main drag, just keep walking. If they ask us to go off somewhere, say no. We got to the end, there was a tannery. Kind of looked in, said hello to some guy, and we kind of sensed what was going on. Got a couple of pictures inside the tannery, but we did kind of get out of there pretty quickly. They did want some money, and we did give them some money, but we got to see some parts of Marrakech, which we wouldn't have seen. So there is that. You just have to have your little wits about you. Highly recommend. Marrakech is lovely. The people were lovely. We were here during Ramadan as well, which is an experience. I have done some fasting in my time. I've done a 72-hour fast, but never water as well. There's lots of photo opportunities around the Medinas, the Casbahs, and the really cool riads that people stay in. We stayed in a hotel just outside, 10-minute walk. Just get those extra steps, don't forget. Hope you enjoy the images. If you enjoyed that video, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, we'll get back to you, we'll answer any questions. Join us at the edge, and thank you once again for listening.